Assalamualaikum and hello everybody. My name is Muhammad Irfan Adik Binti and I am here today with my friends to discuss about Mother Nature. So what is Mother Nature? Mother Nature is also known as Mother Earth and it is a figure who symbolizes the beauty of our nature. So when we talk about Mother Nature, there is a plethora of significant issues that are happening worldwide, and one of them is deforestation. To simplify, deforestation means an action of clearing a wide area of trees and that is then converted to non-forest uses. Did you know that between 1990 and 2010, Malaysia has lost an estimated 8.6% of its forest covers, and it is because of logging and land clearing for palm oil sectors, which is one of the biggest contributors for Malaysia economy. It is an obvious evidence that this is a very serious issue. Deforestation are happening everywhere around Malaysia, especially at the east coast part of Malaysia like Pahang, Terengganu and Kelantan. We must taking action and make a change by now for the sake of our future generation. So before we jump into the solution of deforestation, why not we take a look at the causes of deforestation?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ryan Takif and I will be presenting about deforestation causes. One of deforestation causes is timber logging. Hectares of forests are cut annually to meet global demand of woods and wood products. Logging is also done to clear forest areas for development purposes and dam construction. Next one is mining. The impact of mining on tropical forests is growing due to rising demand and high mineral prices. Mining projects also accompanied by major infrastructure construction such as roads, railway lines and power stations, putting more pressure on forests. Expansion and infrastructure. Due to the increasing human population every year, large areas of forest need to be cleared for the expansion of cities. Settlement areas must be also developed in order to accommodate the citizen population. Lastly, climate change. Climate change is a leading cause of deforestation. Extreme weather events like wildfires, which are responsible for an estimated 10% of degradation annually, droughts, and storm surge destroy millions of hectares of forest every year.
My name is Muhammad Irfan. I will explain about deforestation effects. First of all, greenhouse gas is one of the effects of deforestation. It is because lack of trees allows a greater amount of greenhouse gas to be released into the atmosphere. Next effect is loss of habitat. One of the most dangerous and unsettling effects of deforestation is the loss of animal and plant species due to their loss of habitat. Besides that, as their habitat dwindles, animals are forced to forage outside their traditional forest range and move into areas populated by humans. After that, we have soil erosion. Forested soil are usually more resistant to erosion, bad weather and extreme weather events. Then, deforestation can affect the water in the atmosphere. The trees also help control the level of water in the atmosphere by helping to regulate the water cycle. In addition, in deforested areas, there is less water in the air to be returned to the soil.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adi bin Muhammad Zalizam. So, deforestation effects is so bad for our nature. So, I have 4 solutions to fix this problem. First solution is replanting. Replanting, also known as reforestation. With replanting, the original ecosystem of clear forest areas can be restored, but it also have a cons. Replanting requires an ongoing process and need a long time to do it. So, we go to the next solutions, that is practicing 5R. 5R is refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle. It is less waste materials ending up in landfill. When we practicing 5R, it prevents us from creating negative impacts to the environment. So we go to the next solutions, that is law and regulations. It is efforts to stop human activities can be complemented by laws and regulations by the governments and the responsible organizations. It is because some people still focus more on economic gains at the expense of nature and encourage illegal logging for timberlands, other valuable resources like palm oil. So, for my last solutions, it is education campaigns. Awareness from education campaigns and sensitization can counteract deforestation. Starting awareness creation campaigns made it easier for people to detect the causes, effects, and ways of counteracting deforestation.
In conclusion, I believe that we as individuals ourselves could play a part in making the forest the way it should be for our future generation. So that's all from us. Thank you so much and bye.